Hey y'all, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be approximately the last person on the earth to show you what I got in the Sephora VIB sale. I did a video where I talked to you about my recommendations for what you should get, but then I told you what was on my wish list. And what's in this box? There's a whole lot that's different than what was on my wish list. You all gave me so many good suggestions. There were so many things where you were like, hell no, don't buy that thing. But also, one big thing that you all let me know is that Fenty Beauty, who I had, I think, I had 4 items from Fenty on my wish list. They're not technically cruelty-free. So they're one of those brands that say they're cruelty-free, but if approached by, Leaping Bunny, PETA, or any of the cruelty-free bloggers, they don't really answer the questions that are necessary to certify them as cruelty-free. So while they may be actually cruelty-free, until they are certified or until they start answering a few more questions, I'm personally not going to buy any Fenty, but I did buy a whole lot of other stuff. And also, does this piss anyone else off when you spend a lot of money, whether it's at Sephora or wherever it may be, and you get a box this size? Like, dudes, I spent, before the discount, I think $300. And you want to put it in something that wouldn't even hold a pair of sneakers? No, I want a refrigerator-sized box, okay? Just kidding, don't waste packaging, save the planet. But in addition to what I got at Sephora, I also got some other goodies that I wanted to talk to you about. So this is just going to be a big haul in general. And to be honest, this might be one of the biggest hauls I have ever done. So before we cut into this, whoa, I am a little bit wired because in about 2.5 hours, I am getting my second vaccine shot. And I'm like this much nervous just because I don't like being in public when I get a shot. I can get tattooed for hours and be completely fine, but one little needle and I'm just suddenly like, okay, I'll be fine. Okay, let's open this baby up. Let's rip this baby up. Okay, so in addition to this being the smallest size box ever, then there is this much packing. They are playing me. Oh my God, this looks like nothing. So let's start with this. So this is the Supergoop SPF head to toe. So this includes 3 smaller of their sunscreens. It includes the Unseen sunscreen, which is SPF 40, and they say that it's an SPF primer. It includes the Play, which is a non-greasy lotion for face and body that's 50 SPF, and then the Defense Refresh, which is a makeup setting spray with SPF 40, which I think is really cool. The main reason I got this, so Supergoop is the brand that I use as my everyday sunscreen, but also I kind of wanted to force one of these in my husband's bag. So he is a motorcycle rider. He goes on bike rides every single weekend for the most part, but he never puts on sunscreen. And then he comes home and he's burnt on the back of his neck or on his wrists, where his gloves meet his jacket. I am forcing that man to wear sunscreen. I'm forcing him. And I figure if I get him this little cute one, maybe he'll dig that. I will be linking all of these items down below, but this retailed for $28, which I don't think is bad even before the discount. Next, I wound up getting 2 lip liners. I'm not even sure if I mentioned these in the video, but the first one I got is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the color Iconic Nude. Okay, I know why I bought this. I watched so many Sephora haul videos and Michelle Wong definitely recommended this one. Oh, this looks perfect. This is a lovely kind of brown nude. I have a tendency when I'm buying nude lip liners that I will always buy too pink or too light. This one looks nice, and let's do a swatch. Oh yeah. Yes, this is giving me all the 90s vibes. I'm here for it. I know I'm going to keep this so I don't need the box. Woo, okay. That retails for $22, which I feel like is on par for a higher end lip liner. The other lip liner is Natasha Denona. So when these first came out, this is one of the I Need a Nude lip crayons. I wanted so many of them and bought none of them. I have no idea why. So again, the color that I got is Noah, N-O-A. This is probably going to look exactly the same. No, so this is a much lighter color, but still really pretty. Oh, that is super, super creamy. So Noah is on the top here and the Charlotte Tilbury is on the bottom. These are both so good. And to be honest, I freaking love a red lip, but for the most part, I really dig a nude lip, and I just really needed some good quality lip liners. I have purchased so many, like so many people recommended the NYX ones, and they're nice, but they're not Charlotte Tilbury / Natasha Denona nice. But okay, that also retails for $22. Next in here, we have the Patrick Ta Monochrome Moment. This is a silky lip creme in She's Independent. Now, I bought this one because of Jen Love's reviews. I saw a video where she tried this on. It came, I believe, in a kit, like an I Need a Lip kit, one of those things that Sephora does, and it looked so pretty on her. Are we sensing a theme here with nude lips? God, I swear I wasn't always this boring. Let's do a swatchy swatch. Oh. They all look the same, don't they? They all look the same, but you know what? They're similar, but not the same. It's super shiny. It looks super luxurious. I am into this. I love getting rid of the packaging because it means that I like it enough where I'm gonna keep it. That retails for $24. So next, okay, here's where we get a little pricey, a little spency. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips Lipstick 2 in JK Magic. This puppy retails for $37. But ooh, look at this packaging where it slides out like that. That's kind of nice. So, oh, this is such a pretty, look at this. Oh, with the little stars and moons, that is so classy looking. Let's see. Oh. I don't even care if I'm a basic bitch. Okay, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that is not what I was expecting. Interesting. Okay. So it's on the top. It's very pink. So it's a pink nude. I thought it looked quite like brown in the tube, doesn't it? But it's very, very pink. I'm going to have to try this. I am not going to throw away the packaging to this one just in case. Because again, this retails for $37. Now, if it's a good lipstick, if I really like it, I don't care. But I'm going to hang on to it just in case. Is this the last lip product? Kind of. Okay, so we have another Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is one I've wanted for a while. This is the regular Hot Lips Matte Revolution lipstick in Super Cindy. This one I bought because of it's not Atlee anymore, Ash Levi. These are all gonna look the same. Yep. This one definitely looks more pink. Let's see, I'm gonna put this on the other side. It's interesting because this doesn't look matte at all to me. It's on the bottom here. It just looks like a really pretty pink brown color, but it looks really nice. Oh my God, I just bought a million nude lipsticks. Cool story, bro. Cool story. Now this one retails for $34. The other one, the Hot Lips 2, retails for $37. I guess maybe the $3 goes towards that extra packaging. Another last minute addition, another thing that's because of Michelle Wong, I got the Tower 28 Bronzino Illuminating Bronzer. The color I got is Suncoast, which is the lightest shade. This retails for $20. Very pretty. Looks very metallic. So let's see what it looks like. If I can do a swatch. Oh, wow, that is shimmery. I don't know if you're gonna really even be able to see it. This is super light. I don't know if you can see the shine, but I don't know. Can you see any bronzing to that? This is another one where I'll save the packaging because I'm gonna need to try it out. By the way, there is going to be a video coming up where I'm testing a bunch of these things. I don't have, you know, like a brand new eyeshadow palette or anything like that, but I am going to be testing all this stuff for you. Then this was the thing that like set me over the limit. This is the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. This retails for $80. $80. But I had a sample of this a while ago and I really freaking liked it a lot. And a little bit went a really long way. Like I had a sample that lasted me months. So I think that this will really be worth it. I'm curious to see over time if I notice a difference because I have been looking for a better vitamin C serum. You all have been recommending some great ones to me. Keep the recommendations coming in the comments below, please, because I don't know. I think I'm a vitamin C convert now. I think. I used to be just only about hyaluronic acid, and trust me, I still am. I have an issue, but this is bomb and I'm excited to use it. And finally in the box, we have a perfume. Now, I am not really a perfume person. Like, I only have, I think, like 3 or 4 perfumes, but this one I had to try. So this is the Sol de Janeiro Sol Cheriosa 62. I might be pronouncing that incorrectly, but this is supposed to smell exactly like the Boom Boom cream, but in a perfume. Nope, can't smell it. Oh my God, it is. Oh, this is Boom Boom cream in a perfume. Oh my God, and this is cheap. So this is $26, and I genuinely believe that like a spray or 2 max would last for a long time. I'm still smelling it in the air. It smells exactly like the Boom Boom cream. So that way I can layer on the Boom Boom cream and then spray the Boom Boom spray and then say it with me, boom boom all over this town. Oh God, that's intoxicating. So that is what I bought from Sephora online. But then, hold on, I'm gonna wipe these off my hands before I get it everywhere. All right, so then I happened to be near a Sephora store. It just happened to be there. I definitely didn't go just to see if there was anything else that I should pick up before the sale was over. And I went over to the perfume section. Yes, I just told you that I'm not really a perfume person, but I happened to notice that my Sephora just started carrying Kilian perfumes, and they have not prior to that. And wow, I feel like this is a Michelle Wong made me do it type video, because Michelle Wong made me want to smell this one perfume, and it's called Boys. I wound up buying it. So here's also what I did. I sprayed it on my skin, and then I left. I left the store, I went home, I slept on it for a night, because sometimes, and tell me if you're the same way, I will spray a perfume on me and it'll smell glorious. It'll smell like apples maybe. And then an hour later, the chemistry of my body turns those apples into vomit dumpster fire. So I always want to make sure to wear a perfume for a while before buying it, but it still smelled amazing, so I went back and bought it. This perfume is Boys, and the top notes are, get ready for this. Okay, we've got cedarwood, which is pretty strong in there, and sexy and musky. Then you've got cinnamon. Ooh, a little spicy you are, a little spicy. And then cola. You heard me right. This smells like a freshly poured glass of Coca-Cola with some driftwood and cinnamon mixed in. It is one of the sexiest fragrances I have ever smelled in my life. It is very musky. It's a little masculine. It's woodsy. It's just so sexy. It is so fucking sexy, and I love it, and I'm so glad I bought it. I've been wearing it every day, which is interesting because I work from home, so it feels a little decadent to be spraying myself with a perfume, but this retails for $75 for the 1 fluid ounce. I'm telling you, one spray goes a very long way. One spray goes a long way. Do not do what I did. I sprayed like 2 or 3 on myself at one point, and the rest of the day I was like, it's too much, too much. But one spray is absolutely glorious. So again, this is Kilian Boys. It's so good. So what is the other haul I've referenced? Well, when I filmed my Sephora recommendations video and told you about all the stuff that I wanted to buy, there were several products from Melt in there. I filmed the video, I edited the video, and right as I was ready to put it live, Melt announced that so many things on their website were going to be on sale for 30% off. Well, since at Sephora I'm only a VIB and I only get 15% off there, I ordered everything that I wanted from the Melt site. So I actually got a stack of goodies that I want to show you. First, this is something I wasn't even planning on buying, and I think it's kind of comical. This is the Warm Nudes lip set. I don't know if you can even tell the packaging. It's very nude. It's very nude. But when I talked about this in a Will I Buy It, I was like, you know what? It's intriguing, but I don't think I'm going to get it. I think it's $39 for the set of 5, but it was marked down to like $26 at the time. I knew that I was going to be getting 5 mini lipsticks. I did not realize how mini they would be. You guys, look how comically small these are. This looks like a pill. This looks like a suppository. Don't shove these up your ass, please. PSA. One thing that is kind of nice though, so it is 5 different shades of kind of pinky nudes, which I love, to be honest, how often do you finish lipsticks? Because I have finished lipsticks, but I don't that often. So I'm actually pretty excited to have these little guys in my collection because this lets me sample the colors without feeling guilty if I don't use it down to the nubby nub. And also, I mean, they're gonna be really easy to store. I really do actually love this packaging, but still. So this is one thing I got from Melt. Also one thing that I got, and this is something I had mentioned that I wanted to get, I got 2 of their powder blushes. So you all know I keep this right here on my desk. I am obsessed with the cream blush lights. Obsessed. I still recommend buying the entire package. Get your hands on as many as you can. But 2 shades that were in the blush lights that they had taken the formulas from their powder collection were Honey Thief and Cali Dream. So I bought both of those so that I could layer them. So this is Honey Thief. It's just a really beautiful kind of peachy leaning pink. Really pretty. And then Cali Dream is much lighter and brighter. This one is, I think, described as a grapefruit shade, and that's what it looks like. It looks like pink grapefruit. Really pretty, really summery. I haven't tried either of these yet. I'm very curious to see them layered with the cream blushes. But yes, so I got 2 of those. Also something, and I'm not sure, I believe I had mentioned this. I'm not sure, but I wanted to get their gel liner because their gel liners are some of my favorite products that they make. And come on. So I wanted to get, the gel liner in Onyx, which is just black. It's been a long time since I've used a gel liner, so I'm excited for that. Just throwing shit. But then I also wanted to get this because this was on sale. This is their gel liner. Can you already tell I'm gonna love it because dingy, dusty olive green. I can't get this open. Oh my God, are you serious? Oh gosh. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. This is probably one of my favorite colors. I love olive green, army green so much. So I'm really excited about that. I can confidently get rid of that packaging too. Oh my God, yes. And lastly, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about these. So with your order, you got a free lipstick. They just felt like giving out a free lipstick that day. So I placed my Melt order and I got like the Mary Jane collection and then all of this. And then I clicked buy and I checked out. And then after that, I was like, well, let me go take another look. And then I went back to buy the nudes collection. So because they were sending out a free lipstick with every order, I got 2. So let me show you the colors that I got. I'm not sure if I'm in love with either of them. This one is Summer. This is the one where I'm definitely kind of like, this is a very light peachy pink. I think that this is going to be too light for me. I think it's just not going to be my vibe. We'll see. I might pass this on to a friend. Yeah, we're just gonna have to see. I'm just not sure about this color. The other color though is one that I think I am gonna like. This one is in Frisky, and this is, hey, guess what? It's a brown nude. I'm gonna use it. What am I talking about? That is fantastic. And oh, did I smudge it? Nope. And pretty cool that they were free. Now, I don't know if Melt is getting rid of their matte bullet lipsticks because if you look on their site now, they're all sold out. All of them. So I don't know if this was just their way to get rid of a bunch of any, but we'll see. So that's it. That was my big Sephora and Melt haul. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below what you got from the Sephora VIB sale, but also make sure you stay tuned and subscribe because I am going to be doing a look with a bunch of this stuff. I'm really curious to test out the Bronzino and some of these powder blushes and these liners and the lipsticks, all of the lipsticks. You're gonna have a nude lip in the next video. I'm sorry, it's just going to be happening. Also, I just realized that when I was talking about the stuff I wanted to buy, I think I only mentioned a bright red and a black lip. And then I just bought 18 shades of nude. Okay. But that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did. You all can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. And as always and forever, you are super freaking rock stars. And I love you so much with my whole heart. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.